So years ago, when we purchased the property in Lewistown, I noticed that many of the edges were not the straight 45 or bevel. Instead, they were more of a contour like this. And so at that time, I had another router, and I thought, well, I need to buy another router table because switching the bit and getting it exactly right, because I might produce some molding this month and then 2 months from now, and I need them to match. So to get this bit the exact same height is very difficult. I tried it a couple times and didn't get it exact, and you could tell because I'm not making it all at once. If I was making all my molding at one time, it wouldn't matter. It'd all match, but I'm not doing that. I'm doing it as I need it. So I thought, well, I need another router table because this is so handy. I can just pick it up, put it on my table saw, clamp it down, plug it in, and I'm ready to go. So I thought I need to buy another one, and I thought, hold on, maybe I could make one. So I made one. And at the time, I had an extra router, and it had holes in it, and I mounted it on, got it just right, and bingo, I had two, and it was going really well. I could grab whichever one I needed, and then one of the routers broke, or just quit working. So I bought a new router, and went to mount it, and it didn't have any holes to mount it. So I didn't really need it at the time, but now I need it. I'm doing this valance over the window, and I would like it to match the others or come close. So I just took the new router, which hasn't really been used. I don't even know if it's been turned on, honestly. And I just drilled a bunch of holes in it. So I just felt below where there was nothing already there. And like here, there's a hole, or there's a screw spot underneath for some reason, maybe for holding a jig. So I drilled next to it. It's good, strong aluminum. It drilled easy. So I ended up drilling 10 holes in them because I know my screws are not going to go in a long ways. So now I'm going to take it over there, mount this on that table that I made, and try to get the hole centered. And then I can put the bit in it, get it set for height, and tighten it down really good, and I'll have my second router table back. Okay, this should be a really good router. The other one was too. It was actually one that someone gave me, and it was really good. But it eventually died. Okay, let's get this one mounted.